look what I found in my drawer. This right here. I thought I threw this away or it got lost somehow over the years, but no, here it is, and we will revisit it. Probably you don't know what's going on here. In 2015, we tried to swap the battery in this here iPod, and yeah, we were bad at this. We were very bad, and I really have to say we've come a long way with repairing stuff, because this is just, if you watch this now, if I watch this now, I cringe very hard on what we did. It was totally unprofessionally done. We were lacking patience and the tools, and just, it is also a bad device to start learning to work on stuff. By the way, this iPod still belongs to my friend. Like, it was never officially said from him that we can have it. He just kind of forgot about it when he gave us this iPod, and well, I had it since then. And yeah, let's see. It is wearing this a lovely case. I love. So let's get this out here and see the carnage. Yeah, 5th gen iPod Nano. Oh, I remember this thing. What happened here was this plate would not come off. It would just not come off. We've told you multiple times already in different videos. So we stepped through the camera here. You can see it on the video. I don't know which part it is, probably part 3 or so. And we latched it up. So yes, we destroyed this camera, not by accident, but because we found no other way. And still to this day, I don't know how you do it, or how you should get this out. So yeah, let's remove this tape here that's been stuck on here since 2015. Oh, I see why we put it on. why did we break this off? I mean, there's already a ribbon cable. Just, I don't know what it is. Some kind of sensor maybe. So we glued the top part on, and just to keep it secured. Now you're supposed to heat this and then remove this screen protector, the screen glass. I think it's glass or plastic, I don't know. However, this comes out like this with my fingernails. And yeah, we got this step done. Not too bad, actually. When you really take it seriously, you can't really do this any way else we did. We cut through the adhesive and it came right off. And it's a piece of glass, it really is. So this comes off. I remember we heated that off with the hair dryer. It's basically just a visual, like for visual style, because it doesn't do anything. Why pull this off? Because of this. This sort of blocks the logic board from sliding out. Now we didn't put this back in, but there's supposed to be a little plastic piece. So yeah, all for this little plastic piece. Really sucks. How did we do this without damaging it for real now, really? Is there even a way? Oh, there we go. This was in there pretty darn well. Oh, and it came off. Okay. Well, there's still like, there is already a little glance at the logic board. And this is what I did right now. Awesome, right? Click wheel. Okay. There we go. That was way easier. So yeah, guys, here is the iPod. And as you just saw, no battery in it. Why that? Because we were so afraid of putting it back in since it was bent, and we really should have taken more caution because the battery was basically like deformed with a 90-degree bend in it almost. But it didn't explode, which is really surprising looking back at it. So yeah, here is the entire iPod. And yeah, there's not much more to show you other than it not working, because we destroyed these solder points and we soldered in here somewhere, and here is something ripped off. And yeah, I mean, there's not really that much to it also. It's just a little iPod. So, this is the tragic story of the iPod Nano 5G. And yeah, it is totally screwed up, and you should never do it like we did it. But yeah, let this be a warning example to you. So there you go. The iPod Nano 5G, totally destroyed. Now even more destroyed. But yeah, it wasn't working in the first place. So yeah, guys, hope you kind of like this revisit. I surely did.